Hello viewers, you all are preparing for CSR NET exam for June 2021. So today I will show you how CSR NET certificate looks like, and because I have qualified several times in CSR NET exam, I have given here in next few minutes I will show you that how CSR NET certificate looks like, right? And what's exactly written in the CSR net certificate. And now you can look at that part. These are University Grant Commission, National Educational Testing Bureau, and National Eligibility for Assistant Professor. Now you can see that they have here candidate names and now held on examination. Now it's a category also mentioned in 2016, December 2016, in general category, qualified by securing marks at par par with the qualifying cutoff for general category in the subject life sciences. As per the information provided by the candidate, he or she had completed his master's degree or equivalent examination at the time of applying for national eligibility test, right? The date of eligibility for assistant professor is the date of the declaration of NET result, that is 23rd March 2017, or the date of the completion of master degree or equivalent examination with required percentage of marks within 2 years from the date of declaration of NET result, right? Now this is you know that now all are electronically you can download from the university website, that UGC website, and it's also remain password protected, right? And then this password, if you put the password, then you can download your and print the your certificate, right? These are net certificate for eligibility for assistant professor. Now you can see in the next slide that what's the changes made time to time here. Now you can see that these are University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test for Assistant Professor. Now these are the as per the information provided by the candidate. Now here you can see that the category is removed from the certificates, right? Previously you can see that here the category in mention that in which category you were qualifying the examination, like that you can see that the assistant professor held on in the general category and qualified the marks in general category. Now you can see that here there is no mention of the category. Like you can see that the daughter son and daughter of the joint UG CSR UGC test for eligibility for assistant professor held on 16 December 2018 in the subject life sciences. Now all are almost remain, rest of the part remains same, only the parts that is the category is removed from the certificate. Now we can see that these are 2018 certificate. Now we can see that 2019 certificate. Now 2019 the national eligibility test for assistant professor, and the roll numbers, name, candidate name, these are my photos, and you can see that the joint CSR is held on 16 June 2019 in the subject of life science. As per information provided by the candidate, she had completed his master degree or equivalent examination at the time of applying for this test. The date of eligibility for assistant professor is the date of the declaration of NET result, that is 9th August 2019, or the date of completion of master degree or equivalent examination with the required percentage of marks within 2 years from the date of declaration of NET result by 8th August 2021, whichever is later. This is an electronic certificate only. It is authenticity and category in which the candidate had applied should be verified from UGC by the institution or appointing authority. This electronic certificate can also be verified by scanning QR barcode. Now you can see that this barcode is unique for this certificate. So this QR code also can be verified from UGC, if you and then these are unique for your certificate, right? And barcode printed on the electronic certificate verified. This validity for this electronic certificate is forever. These are for eligibility for assistant professor. This certificate for eligibility for assistant professor, and this validity for the certificate is lifelong validity. So, and this date of issue is given 19th November 2019. So these are the way you can see that you will get an idea about what's exactly the CSR NET's certificates looks like. And these are for all the lectureship only and national eligibility for assistant professor only, right? Now, hope you will get some information. Thank you.